you ever felt.
Are you listening? Damn.
Assalamu alaikum dear guys. Today we're gonna learn how to download stories from the Telegram. So if you're ready, let's begin. Firstly, you have to open a story that you want to download. So I've opened a story. If you are one of a premium subscribers, you could easily download any stories of Telegram. If you're not, I will teach you how to download any stories from Telegram. So watch till the end. Firstly, you have to click the right button on a mouse. Here we can see forward save as. Let's click to forward, not save as. You could share your saved messages. Let's send. Here we are in saved messages. So after sending, you don't have to open like this. Instead of, click the right button on the mouse, and here we can see save as. So click this button and choose a place to save it as. I've chosen a desktop, so save this video. Awesome, your video has saved. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.